Congratulations on thinking about starting a school garden. So, the next step is, where do you put that school garden? Let's go over a couple key elements when choosing where to place your school garden. Number one, you want to have enough sunlight for your plants to grow and produce. So, check out the locations around your campus and make sure that it has plenty of sunlight. Secondly, you want to make sure that your garden will be accessible for all your students. So pick a location that makes sense and is easy to access. Thirdly, one of the key components in addition to sunlight is water. You want to make sure that there is a water source that you can tap into to water your garden. Next up, pick a location where you can secure your garden. So you want to have it free from hopefully pests and unfortunately from vandals that might want to get into the garden and ruin all your hard work. Next, pick a location where you can expand the garden. So perhaps you're going to start small with 1 or 2 beds and then increase it over time. So think further out long term if you have the property on your campus to do so. And lastly, the most important part is make sure that you pick a location that is convenient for students. After all, we want all this hands-on learning to happen on a frequent basis. So make sure your location is somewhere where your students can possibly even have a seat, listen to a lecture, do some hands-on learning, and make sure it's just essentially accessible for your students. I'm so excited that you are thinking about putting in a school garden. You can contact me at my email with any questions that you have, or you can ask me to create some curriculum to share with your students to go with these videos. Let's get a school garden in every school around the country, and don't forget to seed the day.